Yes guys, welcome to our part 4 WordPress. So we say we're going to create our own post. So on the post you have to create a title first, and yes, after then you put in, copy this body and put it in there. So copy this and you paste here whatever post you want to create anyway. So but now we're working on a site which is gonna be teaching some codes. So yeah, this is the post, our post. So then you say publish. After publishing, that's good. So if you want any picture to put your, let's see what's going on here. Let's first see our post. Yes, this is the post, how it looks like. This is our first post. So you can see it say posted by admin under the category which is uncategorized. Leave a comment, stuff like that. So what we do here, we want to delete this guy, we put something else because this post is under PHP. So what we're gonna do here, we can go and Google here, and we say PHP. We wanna put a picture just on our, wanna show you how to put a picture on our WordPress post. Yes, we can choose any picture we want to choose. Maybe we can take this, yes, because it's a little bit light. So say PHP, then we save, then we come back here, we can click or we can cancel here, and you can see, let me see something here, discussions, whatever, sidebar. So if you say go back, I'm trying to see to put some image here. Settings, I can't see what I'm looking for, but anyway, there are many. Say update, then you go to settings. Yes, click on settings, and we click preview. We can also view our post, and yeah, this is the way it looks like. But I want to do something quickly here, but I don't seem to find it. So if you click here, it can show you that you can edit somehow. Guys, don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Okay, let me go back here and say dashboard, and also go to posts. If I'm here, I can edit, quick edit. We say this post is under PHP, we remove it from this, and we save it. After saving that, then you can say, please guys, don't forget to subscribe. Just code. If we say just code, you can see it's under PHP now. So what we can do here, we can go back here and say edit, and when we edit there, I wonder why it's acting like this, but we have to get it well. Yes, get it right. Let me see, paragraph and stuff like that. And time, we don't have time, guys. We gonna be back in part 5 to show you how to put an image, or yeah, something like that. So can't seem to find this quickly as I did expect. Okay, we can click here and put an image which is PHP, say okay, and we save. After saving, yes, the image is there now, guys, and we publish or update. Yes, that's good. So we can go here